We're Jack and Megan, and this is our home. We're currently travelling Australia in our Toyota Troopy carrier, and we're bringing you along for the ride every Sunday. This week we continue our journey through tropical North Queensland, and we're sharing how we deal with bad weather on the road.
That's our unbound campsite.
What money did you go spend?
Happy birthday!
I guess it's a special occasion though. Make sure you subscribe to join us on our travels every week.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes.
Megan, happy birthday.
I get to pick what I want to watch today, do I?
And I made you some brekkie,
Thank you.
French toast.
Wow.
I'd try to make it look good, but it doesn't look good.
I was told I wasn't allowed to get up, and he's been struggling to make this for an hour.
I might have made it look easy on camera, but it wasn't easy. I've been yelling. But we got there. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It's going to be a good day. All right, we've had some breakfast. We've just come down to start cleaning up, and look at the aftermath of me preparing breakfast this
I even
morning.
started tidying up before you even said that.
There is crap everywhere.
Oh.
It was an absolute disaster, but we got there. This
Thinking
thing,
at future birthdays, maybe I'll just help you.
this thing fell off because it came undone by that there. That's meant to go like that. But oh well. You're not cleaning up because it's your birthday.
So we haven't got the best day weather-wise, but we had this nice little free camp last night. I say nice because we're sort of in the trees, which looks really nice here, but we've got the highway on that side of us and the train tracks on that side of us.
Mate,
We didn't get woken up by the train, thankfully. It just came past at about 9 o'clock, I think.
it gives you an adrenaline rush.
It was so loud, and literally the floor, like everything vibrates as it goes past as well, so that was pretty funny.
I sent a video to my old man, and he goes, first thing he says, if that derails, you're gone. And I was like, yeah, we
You
are.
really are your father's son, aren't
Yeah,
you?
anxiety level.
We stayed here last year as well, and there was a resident rooster here last year, but he's not here anymore, which I'm kind of glad about, even though you made friends with him a little bit. So we're on our way to Mission Beach now, and the original plan was to go for a nice long walk on the beach, but
That ain't happening.
don't know if it's going to be happening. I mean, I'm fine with sprinkles, are you?
Well, it's pretty bad, I think.
Yeah.
And I just got a message on my phone saying that there's severe weather coming on the east coast, northeast coast, which is where we are. We made it to Mission Beach, and the weather is not good. It's really bad. The wind's blowing a gale, but we went for a walk down the strip. Pretty nice.
Yeah, it's very holiday vibes
Yeah.
down here.
Very touristy. Lots of nice restaurants, a few little shops there, but I think we're just going to have to check into the caravan park.
Yeah, it was my number one birthday wish. I booked this caravan park because I know it's walking distance to the beach. So I had this all in my mind that we were going to have a nice dinner down the beach and watch the sunset, but I don't think that's going to happen.
We'll
so
still have a nice dinner
maybe a movie night instead.
with pizza. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're on unpowered campsite 8.
Why are you smirking? What
That's our unpowered campsite.
money did you go spend?
Happy birthday! Gotcha.
Thank you.
I thought it's raining. Don't want Megan to sleep in the Troopy in a rainy night, so why not get a cabin? And they're pretty cheap. So,
How cheap?
well, it cost $92
On top of what?
plus $40.
Okay.
All right, let's go check out this cabin, eh? Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's like wobbles.
All right, give us a tour, Megan. Let's see how good you are at opening this door, since it was your job once.
Yeah, I always say when Jack's struggling to open a door, I'm like, just give it here. I used to open 20 doors a day.
Well, it's not bad.
Cute.
I'm just so happy to sleep on a bed.
Very nice. I'm just glad to have a PowerPoint. I'm going to stay up working tonight now then.
Working on your birthday.
Yeah.
We've got
I
a set.
just realised we have a private bathroom as well. Cool. So keen to have a shower.
Wicked, eh? Oh god! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Delivery! I almost slipped over so badly. I almost went arse up. Oh, classic. Anyway, here's your birthday present number 2, Megan.
Thank you.
2 pizzas. Thank you to Phil.
Yes, thank you. It was originally going to be a cheese board, but
It was going to be a cheese board.
the weather just got worse and worse out there. Oh my god, yum. Okay.
So we've got 2 pizzas. Some veggie one with pumpkin on top and Hawaiian. Leave a comment down below if you're a Hawaiian or a
you
non-Hawaiian
mean
person.
a pineapple on pizza person?
Alright guys, just before I head back in and give Megan her last present for the night, I just want to have a quick little chat and just, I guess, have a chat with Megan here. She's not going to see this till she edits it, so hopefully she keeps it in the video, but I just want to say a huge thank you to Megan. She, honestly, I couldn't do this without her. She is just a force. Her motivation is just next level. The person she has turned into since I have met her is just unbelievable. I'm so happy for her, and I guess just show her some love, guys, in the comments today. She'll appreciate it so much, and yeah, we're gonna go and give her her last present. Happy birthday, Megan. I hope you've had a good day. Let's go give it to her. She's gonna love it. Let's hope I don't slip. Oh, I'm gonna have to get her to open the door. I can see the smile on her face.
Oh my god.
Happy birthday.
Where did you get this from?
How did I pull that off, mate?
That's full gourmet.
What a classic
What
cake.
is going on there?
I think it's all different kinds of chocolate.
Really? What
gonna
the
not.
hell are we going to do with a full cake? We're going to have to find some friends.
Just before you cut down, Megan, any wise words?
Oh,
Or you've already cut.
already cut it.
Any wise words to 20-year-old Megan?
20-year-old.
That's 10 years ago.
I wouldn't want to tell her too much because then I wouldn't be here now, I guess.
No.
But, I'm going to change it.
Is it good?
I can't get it out properly though. I don't know, that's a good question. Maybe just, like, hurry up and decide what you actually want out of life.
Yeah, but I think when you say that, we both didn't know what we wanted. And then it
But
just
I
happened.
could have decided, I could have picked a goal, but I think I just thought it was not realistic.
The goal we're trying to achieve now.
Yeah, or just anything that I ever really wanted.
Yeah.
I just
Believe
played
in
it-
yourself.
Played it safe and ended up being miserable. So
Yeah.
don't play it safe, and if you actually want something, then you can go for it, and even if you don't get there, at least you won't be thinking, what if in 10 years time?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Hmm.
I wonder if I'll be that wise when I'm 30. I've got 2 more years to go.
No, you don't. You got a year and a half. don't you?
I'm 28 in September.
No, you're 29. in
Oh my
September.
god, I'm 29. I actually forgot.
Are you
Classic.
sure you're not 60? Finally trying to watch Ricky Gervais because
She wants to watch Ricky
I wanted
Gervais.
to watch it ever since it came out, and Jack is not a fan.
He's funny,
But
but
I
bloody hell.
get my choice today, so
Classic.
that's what we're watching.
All right, let's eat too much cake,
I
eh?
feel like we shouldn't have even bothered to cut it. We should just get a fork and just hold in.
All right, happy birthday, Megan.
Thank you.
Morning, Megan.
Morning.
Look at this damn weather.
Still didn't get my walk on the beach.
Nope.
It's not going as we planned, is it?
We're just pretending it's still Megan's birthday, and where are we going?
We're on our way to Mareeba today, and there's like 3 reasons. I was going to say there's 2 reasons, but there's 3, and the first is that they boast that they have like 300 days of sunshine a year. So I'm going to put it to the test today and see. Okay, that is crazy. We have been in non-stop rain for just over a week, and as soon as we come into this town, there's sunshine.
We're not even kidding. It's like the sun has opened up the clouds, and it's just sunny. So weird.
So like we said this morning, we didn't just drive 2 hours to Mareeba just for sunshine. So we do have another reason that we're here today, and it's because Jack scored some FJ parts on Facebook Markets.
Yeah, throughout the whole build of the FJ45 series, we could never find a well-priced speedo. For anybody that doesn't know, Megan and I did an FJ45 Land Cruiser build, and we gave it back to my dad after he had had it sitting at his mum's house for a very, very long time, and we surprised him with it. We fully rebuilt it, and yeah, we never found a speedo, so I have finally found one here in Mareeba. And the little bonus is it came with a whole bunch of parts that I do not need, but I'm gonna try and sell them and make some money and send a few back to Dad and see what he wants to keep and whatnot. But we're just rocking up to the bloke's house now, and I honestly don't even know what we've bought, but we've got a speedo, so that's number one thing. All right, don't mind the mess in the back of the Troopy, but it's pretty bad again, isn't it? We scored a few parts. I had to leave parts there because there was too many. We got one of them. She's for sale, guys, so keep that in mind if you're looking for one. And we scored. But no one probably cares about this, but this here is a floor mat for an FJ. You can't even find these. But I mean, I think it's stuffed. Yeah, it's stuffed, isn't it? I was counting on that being in good condition so that we could sell that and make some money. But don't think that's gonna happen. And then we just got a whole we got a whole box of parts that I can't even get. Oh God.
You just broke that even more.
That's what we've come for. A speedo. But we got 2 speedos. We got 3 speedos. I can't believe it, eh?
Where are we planning on storing all of this?
I've got to send it to Dad.
Oh, okay, good.
We got some windows. We've got so much stuff. Anyway, I'm going to sort through this and get it posted to Dad, and
this is what happens when we spend the night at a cabin or accommodation.
we pull everything out and then we pull it, we just
Chuck
dump
it back in.
But yeah, no, we're gonna head off to the post office, send this stuff off, and then we're going to
my second birthday present.
Megan's second birthday present.
Or third or fourth, whatever it is by now.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you there. There you go, mate. Just the 2 of us. Thanks. Cheers. All good. Cheers, mate. Thank you. Alrighty, we're in. Look at that, mate. It never gets old, eh?
No, it's always so fun.
It does not get old, no matter how old you are. How funny is this? So, we were planning. We've gone out and bought all this food because we wanted to go on a health kick, and because we woke up. Oh God, hang on.
Maybe just one thing at a time, honey.
Well, we woke up and we were like, oh my God, we
ate way
so
too much
cake.
I think, no, it wasn't so much the cake, it was just the pizza and everything. And I actually woke up, even though I only had like 4 hours sleep last night because the rain was quite heavy, I woke up like I had just carb loaded last night, and I woke up with so much energy, and now I've just completely crashed. But
anyway, we
woke up like really motivated to eat healthy after our little binge last night, and we went and bought all this healthy food thinking we were going to have, well, we probably still will eat them, but
carrots and hummus
sticks and stuff as our movie snacks.
I said to Megan, we've driven like 10,000 kilometres from the other side of the country, and we're really not going to eat the bad food they have at the cinemas tonight.
Well, 2 more things as well. We're going to support them because that's how they make a lot of their monies from the cafe here, and also we can show you guys what food they've got here as well, so it's all for the good causes.
Got the burgers. Here we go.
Ooh, is that beetroot?
Got beetroot, onion, cheese, lettuce,
Yum.
tomato sauce, and a beef patty.
Oh, they're both the same.
Yeah, they're both the same. I'm so hungry. We forgot to tell you guys that you can sleep here.
Yeah, so you pay your fee. I think it was $14 each.
Yeah.
And then you can stay the night and you just got to be out by 9 o'clock in the morning.
And there's heaps of caravans here as well.
Yeah, so it works out better. We have, like, this is the second drive-in movie we've been to recently, and this last time we went we fell asleep during the second movie, which I think is 100% going to happen tonight, so it's a good thing that you're actually allowed to sleep here.
Yeah. Time for dinner. Here you go, madame.
Thank you.
Let's eat.
This whole vlog is just you giving me food.
Birthday, she loves it. You coming up?
I'm trying. Oi!
Oh, you got your glasses on.
Yeah,
Classic.
of course, I'm not going to be able to see it without them.
What's that you got there?
Nearly finished ginger beer. I'm not going to
Far
get
out.
through. You didn't have one last night though. You had a.
No, I don't really.
Non-alcoholic.
I like them, but not too much.
But I'm not going to get through 6. We're going to have to. If you see us around Atherton in the next school, it'll probably be a few weeks later by the time this vlog comes out. Have some ginger beers.
Look at the penthouse view. It's actually next level, eh?
It's quite busy here, hey?
It's flat out here tonight.
And I was just reading in the toilet as well. This was established in 1962, so that's pretty cool.
Oh, Megan with her wise glasses on. Wise 30-year-old woman.
Reading in the toilet.
Time to get comfy, guys. This is honestly the best.
I was going to say this is the hardest part because you want to lay here and look there, but you can't really see over the top, so you got to like lay there on your tummy with a bunch of pillows, but it's still good.
We're probably just going to fall asleep, to be honest.
100%.
All right, we'll see you in the morning, guys.
Thanks so much for coming along with us to celebrate my birthday, guys. It was more of a personal video than our usual travel vlogs, but we've really been enjoying bringing you guys along for this sort of thing, so I hope you enjoyed it as well.
We didn't really go anywhere, but
We
tried
kinda
to. The weather stopped us, but don't forget, guys, that age is just a number, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe. We'd really appreciate it.
And we'll see you next Sunday.
See you guys.